Are you having problems on potty training your kid? Or maybe you don't even know where to start? This video is one of a 10-part series that will enable you to do things easier. If you're just starting to potty train your kid, there are several things that you need to learn. By the end of this 10-part video, you will be assured that you're going to be confident in potty training your child. Make potty training easy.
Troubles as you go along the process of potty training are definitely normal. Maybe you're now asking if you can get rid of this. Do you want to be familiar with the common scenarios that lead to troubles? Take a look at this. Your child doesn't know how to convey the message that something is on the way. So what's going to happen? You won't be able to recognize that it's his time for urinating or defecating. What if your child is more comfortable wetting in his diaper or knickers and having them changed? You'll be having trouble explaining to your child that it's better to pee in the toilet than wetting in his diaper. Once you fail to recognize the readiness of a child for potty training, again you'll be facing another trouble. It will just lead you to frustrations. Any harshness or strictness from you will send the child into a shell, which you don't want to happen. How about situations wherein your child is experiencing irregular bowel movements? Your child will be having trouble to pass the stool, and worst, it might cause him trauma. See it? Problems are everywhere with regard to potty training. It is just a matter of how you handle situations. As parents, you should give solutions to every problem in a more desirable impact for your kids.
If you found this video useful, please leave a comment and subscribe to our video page to get the latest updates. You can also visit our website at www.pottytrainingyourkid.com. See you in the next videos.